Hello guys, welcome back to Harry's Space. Today in Harry's Space, we're going to do another science experiment where we're going to extinguish fire. For this science experiment, you would need vinegar, a small bowl, candle, Play-Doh, matchbox, and baking soda. Step 1. Take some Play-Doh, take your candle, and stick the Play-Doh to the bottom of your candle. Take your candle and stick it in the middle of your container. Step 3. Take some baking soda and pour it around your candle until it reaches 1/4 height of the candle. With the help of your parent or guardian, light up the candle with the matchbox. Step 5. Pour the vinegar on the baking soda. So we have successfully extinguished the fire. Fire needs 3 main elements to form. 1. Fuel, something you can burn with. Oxygen and heat. The baking soda and the vinegar creates carbon dioxide, which takes away an element called oxygen to not make the fire form. An example to this is a bushfire. The source fuel, something you can burn with, is grass, plants, or trees. And the heat would be the sun's solar rays. And of course, there is oxygen. Now let's repeat this experiment with water and see what happens. You can do this if you want or not and keep on watching. Let's repeat these steps, but instead of pouring vinegar, we're gonna pour water and see what happens. The 3 elements, heat, oxygen, and fuel, and the substance here is the wax, still remain, so then the fire isn't extinguished. But this experiment proves that to extinguish fire, we have to remove one of the main 3 elements of it. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.